In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave a shared folder in Dropbox. If you've ever found yourself sharing too many folders and want to tidy up your Dropbox with some delicate organization, by removing yourself from a shared folder, you're in the right place. We'll take this step by step to ensure the process is smooth and intuitive. First, let's start from your Dropbox homepage. You want to navigate to the homepage where all your files and folders are listed. Think of this as your personal dashboard. Everything you've got on Dropbox appears here. Once you're there, the next step is to locate the folder that has been shared with you, which you no longer wish to be a part of. Shared folders typically have a little icon next to them, indicating they are shared. This will help you identify which folders involve collaboration with others. After you find that folder, hover over it to reveal additional options. You'll want to click on the three little dots icon, often referred to as the ellipsis. These dots are your gateway to more administrative features regarding that folder. Now, with the additional menu open, you should select the option that says Manage Permissions. This is where you can control who has access to the folder, whether it's just you or the entire team. Moving forward, look for a drop-down menu usually labeled Can Edit or something similar. Clicking on this is an important link in the chain, as it showcases various permission settings. In that drop-down, there should be an option that reads, Remove My Access. By choosing this, you're opting out of that shared situation. But remember, this is a final move, as it will cut your ties with that folder. At this point, Dropbox will help you confirm your decision. A confirmation pop-up will appear, asking if you are certain about removing your access. Take a moment to ensure this is indeed what you want to do, especially if there are any essential files you need to keep. Once you've decided, click Remove My Access in the pop-up box. Congratulations, you have successfully left the shared folder. Your Dropbox is now a little less cluttered, providing you with a more streamlined workspace. By following these steps sequentially, you can manage your Dropbox easily, keeping only the essential items that matter to you. Removing access doesn't delete the folder or its contents. It merely removes it from your account. Others who have access will still retain their permissions and files in the folder. These steps will aid you in staying organized and ensuring that your digital workspace is tailored exactly to your needs. Thank you for watching and taking a step towards mastering your Dropbox space.